time, and they need to be convinced that they don't do as good.
Yeah?
Testing.
The idea is this section, there is a washout here, there is a washout but we're joining the two. And we want to demonstrate what East West Road deserves, and that is continuous reinforced concrete. And that's what they're going to build. So they're going to build a number of, like this section, we have 5 relief culverts. And these relief culverts are all continuously joined by, a concrete pavement. And we have a 2 beams, at the end of the embankments and the retaining walls. And like what we have here is about 3 relief culverts in 1 culvert, the 3-in-1, triple cell. Now, after we've done this, when they finish what they're doing, they raise the road by 1 meter above the expected flood level. And then they will now put these multiple culverts, in 5 sections. And then they will put their sharp sand. Then they will put their stone base. They will release it to traffic. Then traffic will be on it for about 30 days, after which they now start to cast, 8 inches concrete, reinforced concrete with wide 20 rods. I'm very impressed with what they're doing. They might have won the job, but they have not even been given a kobo. And so we're here to witness what they're doing. I'm very impressed with what they're doing, the quality of their engineers, the quality of equipment, and that's what we expect from every contractor. And going forward, every contractor that does not perform, whether you are expatriate or you are not expatriate, we will terminate the contract. No contractor will hold this federal government to ransom any longer. So I want to commend them, and then commend the acting controller. She's doing very well. And commend Engineer Buago, who scoped this project, and we came here a number of times. So I'm impressed, and I believe strongly that by the time we finish, it becomes an example of what East West Road will look like. Because I'm still not satisfied with the method of construction of East West Road. We continue to have this kind of problem because this is a place with very high water table, and unless you now raise the pavement above the expected flood and use concrete that is so friendly with water, East West Road will continue to give us problems. But when they finish this section, it becomes a sample, and Nigerians will see what the Minister of Works can do.
Of course, it goes without saying that is a fulfillment of that visit. And as a parliament, we are here to make sure that there is value for money in all the jobs awarded by the federal government. And I want to use this medium to let the contractors know that the area whereby you come and cut away money without doing the job is gone. This time around, as a parliament, as a senate, we'll make sure that there is value for every kobo of this country, because it's our joint wealth and it's our duty to use it to develop our roads for the benefit of Nigerians. Nigeria as a nation has all it takes to be the #1 country on earth, but our problem has always been corruption. Contractors who get a job, they're being paid, the job is not done. And I want to thank President Tinubu for appointing an expert as Minister of Works. You can see the game is changing. The minister is an engineer, he knows the job, so there's no place to hide.